Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. And in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to start AI trading as a beginner. All right. So in this video, we are going to take you through the essentials of AI trading step by step so that you can understand how it works and how to get started with confidence. Okay, let us begin with the basics. AI trading or algorithmic trading, powered by artificial intelligence, uses computer systems and smart algorithms to analyze markets, identify patterns, and execute trades automatically. All right. So instead of manually watching your charts all day, AI systems can help streamline the process and react to the market in real time. The first step in starting AI trading is choosing the right platform. Okay, not all trading platforms support AI tools, right? So it's important to select one that offers advanced features, good customer support, and educational resources, right? You can look for platforms that allow automation, back testing, and customization. Okay, a regulated broker is always the safer choice as it ensures security and reliability. So once you have selected a platform, the next step is setting up your account. All right, the process is usually straightforward. You need to complete registration, provide identification for verification, and fund your account, right? After that, you'll be able to access the AI trading tools available on the platform. Now let's talk about AI tools themselves. Some platforms offer built-in algorithms, while others let you create or customize your own strategies. Okay? Now, as a beginner, it's often best to start with ready-made AI systems so that you can learn how they work. Then over time, as you become more comfortable, you can explore adjusting or building your own models. Now, one of the key things to understand is strategy selection. All right? It's very important. AI can follow many different strategies, from trend following to mean reversion to pattern recognition, right? So as a beginner, you want to start with simple strategies and focus on learning how the AI makes decisions. Always monitor performance because while AI is powerful, it still requires oversight and human judgment. Another important step is backtesting. All right, backtesting is a very important step. Many AI trading platforms allow you to test a strategy, using historical data. Before you go live. Okay, so this helps you see how the strategy would have performed in the past and gives you insights into whether it is suitable for your goals. After backtesting, you can move to live trading. You have to start small. Okay, begin with minimal exposure so you can understand how your AI system operates in real market conditions. Then you observe how it executes trades, of how often it trades, and whether it sticks to the rules that you have set. Okay, as you gain experience, um, adjust the settings to align with your preferences. You might change risk levels, trade size, or the type of signals the AI looks for. The goal is to use AI as a tool that works within, your approach, right? That works with your approach, not as a replacement for understanding the market, right? So I just want to also show you, you know, an example on MetaTrader 5. So if you are using TradingView, you can actually try out the Pine editor, all right? Put in a code, can test out, perhaps a strategy on the Pine editor, all right? If you are using the MetaTrader 5, can also take advantage of the built-in strategy tester to test out automated strategies, all right, to see how it performed in the past, okay, and know whether you are going to be profitable with it in the future. Okay, for example, here we have the strategy tester on MetaTrader 5, right? So this strategy tester can be used to test your automated system, all right? For example, I want to test an EA, and select a symbol, select a time frame, and all of that, and then I start. All right. So you can be able to test out to see the historical performance. Just if you want to use an AI, a robot on your chart, ensure that the algo trading is turned on. Okay. So you observe how it executes trades, how often it trades, and whether it sticks to the rules that you have set. As you gain experience, you can tweak the settings and all of that. All right. It's crucial to keep learning. AI trading is constantly evolving with new models and strategies emerging all the time. So make use of the educational tools provided by your platform, attend webinars, and read about new developments to stay informed. So to recap, understand what AI trading is about. Choose a regulated platform that offers AI tools. Set up your account. Explore beginner-friendly AI strategies. Backtest before trading live. Start small and keep learning as you go. If you found this step-by-step guide to start AI trading for beginners helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss new tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.